Welcome to the channel where we decode technology and reveal the secrets to boosting your online presence. Today, we're diving into one of the hottest topics in the tech world, artificial intelligence, and how it can transform your SEO strategy. Ready to unlock some game-changing secrets? Let's get started. Artificial intelligence, or AI, might sound like something out of a sci-fi movie, but it's very real and already shaping the world we live in. At its core, AI refers to machines designed to mimic human intelligence. Think of tasks like learning, problem-solving, and decision-making, but supercharged with the power of computers. From self-driving cars to voice assistants like Siri and Alexa, AI is everywhere. And when it comes to SEO? Well, AI is rewriting the playbook. SEO, or search engine optimization, is how we make content more discoverable on platforms like Google. Traditional SEO relies on keyword research and backlinks. But with AI, we're entering a whole new dimension. Here's the deal, AI is transforming SEO in three big ways. First, it's all about understanding search intent. Tools like Google's RankBrain use AI to analyze what users really mean when they type a query. That means creating content that aligns with user intent is more important than ever. For example, if someone searches, best Italian restaurant, AI considers location, reviews, and even dining preferences. It's like having a digital mind reader. Tip number 1, optimize your content for AI. Focus on creating high-quality, relevant, and user-focused content. The days of keyword stuffing are long gone. Tip number 2, embrace AI tools. Platforms like SEMrush and Surfer SEO use AI to provide data-driven insights for keywords, content optimization, and even competitor analysis. They're your secret weapons for staying ahead of the curve. And here's a bonus, AI-powered writing tools like ChatGPT can help you brainstorm ideas, draft content, and even refine your SEO strategy. It's like having a digital assistant at your fingertips. Final tip, always monitor and adapt. SEO is constantly evolving, and AI is pushing those changes faster than ever. Use analytics tools to track your performance and stay agile. So, there you have it, AI isn't just the future, it's the now. By leveraging AI for your SEO, you'll not only keep up with the competition but stay ahead of the game. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech and SEO insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.